We gotta fix that. This one is hella far. But this should be alright. This one's crazy far too. This one should be alright. This one we can leave, and this electro I could bring down a little bit. Right there. Right there. I like that. It's gonna change when I tighten this. See? Just try to bring it back around. Damn. It's all the way. Alright, we're gonna get this right. We'll come back, we'll get this right. I'm gonna just go to my truck and get a new electro. I don't like the way this thing is bending to the side a little bit. That's what's causing it not to really be straight, so let's go get a new one. So I decided to get the screws too. If we're gonna change the electro, might as well change the screws too. Waiting for the elevator. Let's change it. Alright, I got the new one in, and I like this better. Nice and tight, pause. I like this. It's not like the other one. Let's put it in and see what happens. Alright, we got it in, and we see what happens. I guess if it goes back, then we know. But I think we're good. I think that was the problem. This bad boy. We good.